Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's find home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section and of course give all the permissions, grant all the permissions by tapping on OK. Here we have to enter the permissions and media and files. Right now let's tap on allow management for all files, and right now we can simply go back and really enter the wallpaper right now. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got our own gallery, so of course we can pick some from our own photos and set them as a wallpaper. We've got also recommended ones, and here we've got some pre-installed options, the nature, artistic, dimensional, colors and classic. So it's of course up to you. Let me pick something, maybe alright, maybe something from the recommended ones. And in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, you have to simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, and as you can see, this is how it will look like. Sometimes you will be able to change the position of the wallpaper. It's up to you. You can also blur it, so just tap on this drop icon, and just by using the switcher you can select the level of the blurriness. I think I want to set it as sharp as it is possible. What is more, after tapping on this eye icon, you will see the wallpaper kind of applied on the home screen, so you can see the icons you've got currently on the home screen. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and now we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.